How to download and install Trello application on your Android or iOS device. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are trying to get started with Trello, then it's a great choice and it is super handy app for organizing tasks, projects and even daily life. So let's go ahead and get started on how you can get it on your Android or iOS. First of all, unlock your iOS or your Android device and make sure that it is connected to a stable internet, and then launch open Google Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. In the search bar, type in Trello and search. Look for this Trello Organize Anything application from Trello Inc. and tap on the Get or the Install button. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account's password for the installation. On your Android, after you press on Install, the application will start downloading and installing. Now wait for the application to install on your device. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection so that the app can be downloaded in a super quick and easy way. Once the app is downloaded and installed, tap on Open to launch open the Trello app on your iOS or Android. Now from the welcome screen, you can go ahead and sign up for a new account or log into your existing account to get started. So that's it, you've successfully installed Trello and are ready to start organizing like a pro. Take a little time to explore the app and you'll be surprised how much smoother your task can become. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.